good morning. We are heading towards the Grayson Highlands this morning. We went over a mountain this morning called Buzzard Rock, and as you can see, I am all bundled up and I look goofy, and you know what? Oh well. But it is super cold outside today. I actually got so cold on the top of Buzzard Rock, I had to stop and dig out my leggings because I was starting to get like frostbite on my legs. It was that cold, and the winds are just ripping. There's been wind gusts about 50 to 60 miles an hour on these balds, and so it's, you know, the pleasant of days. However, I am looking forward to going through the Grayson Highlands today. So, here we go. Oh, a little bit of a upwards rock scramble right now. And with the wind, I have to be very careful because it's a pretty tough spot here. Well, it's starting to snow up here, hail. It's all over the ground. You could hear the wind just ripping through the trees. I feel a little lightheaded right now, so I'm just trying to go really slow. We're probably around 5,000 feet elevation. It was a big gain today, so just taking it slow. See the snow? It is snowing right now up here on the trail. It's a beautiful pine forest. It's white out right now. Oh, we stopped at the Thomas Knob Shelter to have lunch, and it is snowing out. We are watching it snow from the doorway of the shelter. Thank goodness for the white blazes, because I would have no idea where we are right now. Everything just looks like rocks and snow, and just a big wide open field. You can't see anything, and the wind is still blowing, and it's so cold. Obviously, if there's snow, it's freezing temperatures. But yeah, I have no idea where the trail is, so I'm just following my son at this point. We're in Grayson Highlands. We find a wild pony. Oh, they're right here. Oh my God. Hi, honey. wild ponies of Grayson Highlands. They just came up to me. The whole herd. Robin, it's 16 hands. This is for you. They're wild ponies. Look. The whole herd is here. I'm at Grayson Highlands State Park, where the wild ponies live and roam wild free here. The whole herd just came out from the trees as I walked by. This is so cool. My daughter and I had lunch here last summer, right on this bench. And here's a little bit about the wild ponies of Grayson Highlands. How cool is that? Out of nowhere, there's these jets just flying. Oh my gosh. What the heck?
That was awesome. Whoa. That's scary.
So windy. This whole day has been all these boulders. Like 80% of the entire day has been just big giant rocks and boulders, and it's so hard on your feet and your knees. Just doesn't seem to end. Just a section with a lot of rocks. Even when we're out of the boulders, we're walking on rocks. Definitely fatigued today.